We're building this next generation interior sensing AI, right?
Yeah.
So we've seen this trend over the last few years. Car manufacturers are investing in sensors not to just monitor what's happening outside of the vehicle, but also what's happening inside of the vehicle. And we are going to power this next generation of interior sensing.
We are in the same situation that Smarter was in, like in 2014, 2015, but now instead of being DMS RFQs, we see that it's interior sensing procurement processes that are starting up. That the big OEMs, especially the premium OEMs, are starting to move in this direction, and by joining forces now and merging, we're strengthening our position, and hopefully we can replicate what we at Smarter did 5 years ago.
The interior sensing space has a number of components or a number of requirements. One is, of course, driver monitoring, and this is where Smart Eyes technology shines.
Yeah.
But there are other components as well, like monitoring what's happening with the other occupants in the vehicle, tracking the body key points, tracking the different activities that people are engaged in within the vehicle. And then, of course, tracking what's happening in the cabin. What are the objects that are left behind? Are there animals in the car? And so the combination of all these features is really what the automakers are looking for, and our technologies kind of are very complementary from that perspective.
It's not the case that DMS disappears because of interior sensing, because this interior sensing is the combination of driver monitoring and other modalities that look at other things. Everything is just about measuring inside of the car. And the trend of measuring stuff inside the car is growing much stronger, very fast.